Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're at a backyard that we've been working on for quite some time. It's almost complete, but I wanted to show you guys what we've done using James Loudspeaker, their Omni Planter series. Now, not everyone has flower beds around the landscape, and not everyone has, different areas to hide speakers and whatnot. And so the client wanted a good sound, but didn't want satellite speakers and those sort of things just stuck in the grass and whatnot. So here was a great option that we went with. So if you look at this, this is a James Loudspeaker planter sub, has an 8-inch sub at the very bottom, and then if you look real close, it's got a grill on all four sides. So there's a 4-inch sat on all sides of that. So it's given 360 degrees of sound. So you can put multiple of these around the landscape. Right now we have one for this side of the pool. We're going to add another one on the other side of the pool later on as the construction continues. But of course, it is a planter sub. So if you look, there's no plants in it just yet, but the client is going to add their own plants in there. If you look at some of our past videos, I actually did the plants for the client. They weren't real plants, of course. They were fake plants, but they looked really good. But this is such a great way. It looks very nice, very elegant. You don't think it's a speaker or with a subwoofer. So the sound's incredible from James. And because it's marine grade aluminum, powder coated, it's gonna last for many years. Hey, just because this is a small sub that you can't really see the speakers doesn't mean it can't play loud and sound phenomenal. It definitely fills the area. I'm gonna continue to walk way over here to the sitting area. Got this cool fire pit we're working on. No seat cushions, but that's okay. But still get great sound because you got nice bass and then four sides of that planter that's producing great sound. So awesome, guys. Enjoying the outdoor weather and some awesome tunes. So give us a call, guys. We definitely designed a backyard landscape that will surely impress. And so next time, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Got any comments or questions in the links down below. So until next time, guys, see ya.